everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm actually filming this a day earlier than I thought I would because they arrived a day early in the mail. I thought there wasn't going to be any post today. I was wrong. I've never been so happy to be wrong. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So my dogs are going crazy downstairs, but we're just going to ignore it. Here's a lump of bratz dolls. So where did I put my scissors? Now I have gotten to the core, the plastic bag in which the dolls are in. So now let's open it, I guess. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. I just need to take a moment. Okay, moment done. Here is Dynamite Megan. Now these dolls, okay, so I got all these dolls. I got I think there's 8 in here for $92, and that's including shipping and everything. So this is Dynamite Megan, who it seems like stole Rock Angel Chloe's shirt. I think that's Chloe's, I don't remember. Dynamite Megan. I love Megan because I love redheaded dolls. This one is, she got no feet. This is Wild West Fiona, I think. She's not one of the ones that I got the lot for. Oh, this is I think Forever Diamonds Vanessa. She's very pretty, but this is not her fit. Okay, here's one of the ones that I'm super excited about. Okay, her foot fell off in transit, so I'm gonna just put it on there. Magic Hair Leah, which I just really like her outfit, and okay, I just found this in her hair. It's a Goodwill sticker for $2. I bought these from a scalper. Okay, that explains why there's so much missing clothing. Moving on, she is apparently kind of a rare doll because I haven't really seen her a lot, and I think she's really pretty, and her hair looks a mess, but but that's because she's one of the magic hair ones, and people put hair color in them or something. But I think I could, fix it. I have those capabilities. Let's see who else is in here. I have Rock Angelz Jasmine. Her hair also looks a bit crazy, but look at that. And then look at the fit. Ignore my dogs. She has a little belly button, sparkle. I think that's supposed to be a belly button ring. But she's so pretty. My lord. My dogs won't shit it. This is a Rock Angelz Chloe. I think, yeah. Yeah, okay, so there are actually 2 Rock Angelz Chloe's in this lot, so I probably will be selling one. But yeah, so there they are. This is Tokyo Go-Go Chloe's skirt. Treasures Jasmine's shirt, and then this is Passion for Fashion Jasmine's dress and shoes, and then here is Passion for Fashion Jasmine in Play Sports Dana's jumpsuit outfit thing. So I'm going to go and fix everyone up, and then I will come back and show them to you. I decided I will actually video a bit of my restoration. So first I'm going to do Jasmine's hair, and as you can see, it's actually really good still because it's nice and shiny. So I usually try not to fully wash a doll's hair unless it is absolutely necessary, because it can cause some issues. I mean, mostly on AG dolls, but yeah, you see this one? It just looks so nice now. let's see. But yeah, I really love the Rock Angelz dolls, so I'm happy to have a Rock Angelz Jasmine in her, you know, outfit. I think she looks quite pretty. Whoa, shiny hair. But yeah, see, like now she's like basically perfect, I think. I mean, I don't know what, I can't remember off the top of my head what the original doll looks like, because these are my first Bratz dolls. I've never really gotten into Bratz before. But these are very, I just like the outfits on Bratz, to be honest. Like they just, like the quality really appeals to me. Okay, so I'm putting her ears back in. I think I may have to magic eraser her face, but my magic eraser's downstairs, so I'm gonna wait for that. And I'm kind of scared of, like, her lips also aren't like scuffed or anything. Oh my gosh, look at that face. Okay, now we are at the end of the video. Here are the 4 fully clothed Bratz dolls I have. I organized this shelf a lot more than it was organized yesterday with my new Rainbow High dolls and my new Bratz dolls. I think I'm really feeling this shelf. It's so colorful. But yeah, I am so... Okay, I think this Jasmine doll is my favorite Bratz doll I have right now, just because she's so pretty. The other ones I have are still naked because I don't have their actual clothes. I don't know, I may just put them in the clothes that I have or whatnot, but I decided to just, for right now, display the ones that I have their outfits. So, I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye!